I will introduce my interesting slang. I chose jump ship because I had heard this slang when I watched the movie, but I couldn't understand this meaning. Jump ship means to leave your job or to move from one situation to another. For example, when the company announced that it was losing money, many of its employees jumped ship. Another example, none of the editors liked the new policies, so they all jumped ship as soon as other jobs opened up. Therefore, you can use leaving a job to another. Thank you.